Happy Summer Pride, Manila! This is Billy Labitan Yadaw, your Bekshi Magicera from province of Tarlac!
Thank you so much to our candidate number 5, Billy Lapitan Yadaw.
Right, let's move on to the next one. From Tarlac, Billy Labitan Yadaw. Ganda nito, oh.
Yes, how are you, Billy?
I'm very happy right now. To be honest, I have been losing my self-esteem because of the previous 2 national pageants that I've joined because I didn't make it to the semifinals. But tonight, I think I've gained so much confidence because the judges allowed me to, touch this microphone tonight.
Yes, thank you so much.
Nakakalaw kasi ang tanong lang, how are you? Daming sinabi, no? Wala ako naintindihan ni isa.
At saka alam mo, napanood ko yung talent mo, Billy. Napakagaling mo mag-magic.
Oo.
Iilan lang po kaming nakakagawa noon.
Correct.
At sa
Magikera.
Manila ko lang po yun pinakita.
Oo. You are from Tarlac talaga originally, no?
Yes
What
po.
made you come here in Manila?
It's because of the people. My handler, my team are from Manila. And the welcome or the warmth, the welcome of the Manila people are so great. So, why not, di ba? That's having that kind of mayor. Very beneficial, not just for me, but also for the humanity. I would prefer to cure a disease that is something that is not yet discovered. It's because I firmly believe that allowing people to live because they have that option is something that we wish to see from humanity. And I hope that people would always choose something that was beneficial for the humanity. Thank you and good evening.
Nakaloka
Thank
pa
you so
mapanood
much.
ba? Ay, andiyan ka pala!
Yan na, ang tatalak. Tatalak kaya si Miss Tarlac.
Yes. Kamusta? Top 5, ano masasabi mo?
Sobra akong kinabahan kanina kasi the 10 girls earlier did very well. I wasn't even expecting to be here anymore, pero thank you so much, judges, for allowing me to be part of the top 5. Thank you.
Minsan maganda rin yung hindi ka nag-e-expect, no? Para nangyayari na mamanifest.
Correct.
No? Hindi
Manifestation.
Hindi
Ako din,
nababara.
kinakabahan din ako nung ina-announce ko yung top 5 kanina eh. Paano pa kaya mamaya sa announcement ng grand?
Tama,
Diba?
diba?
Now, you will be given 40 seconds to answer the question. We will not be reading the questions for you, but you will read it yourself.
Are you ready, Starla?
All right.
She's ready.
40 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, here's her answer. Go.
Integrity is one of the values that I uphold, regardless of who the person is, even though if it's a family member. I will be a whistleblower. Not because I don't care about them, but because I would want them to learn coming from that mistakes. There are so many ways in order for them to let me experience beautiful life, and I will not appreciate a beautiful life if it come from something that affected not just limited people, but so many people because of corruption. Thank you and good evening.
All right,
Sising pa ba kayo?
our first runner-up were able to get a total score of 94.61%. And our champion, or the queen
The
for
title
tonight, the
holder.
title holder, got 95.94%. Isang puntos ang laman. And of course, this score will not be possible without the assistance of our official tabulators. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay. Handa na ba kayo, guys? Ladies, eto na. We will announce our title holder or the Queen of Bexis ng Maynila, and then later on, bigyan natin siya ng chance na i-crown. For the meantime, eto na. With a total score of 95.94%, Queen of Bexis ng Maynila 2026 is... Our queen is Billy Lapitan!
Congratulations to our Queen of Bexi 2026, Billy Labitan Yadaw from Tarlac.
Meaning to say, our first runner-up is Yen La Victoria with a score of 94.61%, being awarded by Chairman Bernie Galay, Chairman Marie Almario, Karen Monteselio, Judge Billy Valenzuela, Judge Boca.
Iba't ibang kulay, sabay saya. Love is sigaw mo na. Sa Maynila, ikaw ay malaya. Sa entablado, ikaw ay
Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Queen of Bexis ng Maynila 2026, Billy Lapitan!
Yadaw.
sa lungsod na may bukas na puso para sa lahat. Kahit
Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin, madlang people!